If you want to grow revenue without adding more car count, increasing your average repair order is a smart move. AI can help by identifying upsell and cross-sell opportunities based on customer history, mileage, vehicle type, and previous services. For example, if a customer comes in for an oil change and the system sees they are overdue for brake fluid service, tire rotation, or cabin air filter replacement, AI can prompt your team with relevant recommendations. This creates a more consistent and professional customer experience. It also prevents service advisors from forgetting easy opportunities that genuinely help the customer maintain the vehicle. The key is relevance. AI should support honest recommendations, not aggressive selling. When used correctly, it improves service quality and increases ticket size at the same time. America's Best Shops has long emphasized the importance of systems that drive performance, and AI gives shops a practical way to recommend needed services more consistently. That means better care for the customer, more value delivered, and more revenue generated from each visit.